today's video, I'll show you how to back up your Outlook emails in 2025. This is essential to keep your important messages safe and accessible, especially if you switch devices or worry about data loss. First, open Microsoft Outlook and sign in with your email and password. Once logged in, go to the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. Next, click on General, then scroll down to Privacy and Data. Here you'll find Export Mailbox. Click it to start the backup process. Outlook will compile all your emails, which may take a few minutes depending on your account size. Once complete, Outlook will send you an email with a download link. Click it to save your backup file safely on your device. And that's it. Backing up your emails is simple, but it ensures your important communications are always protected. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.